Hello guys, Cyprien here from FEFall, and this video will be very short, but I hope very useful for some of you, because a lot of you asked me the same question about this video where I show how to generate some concrete with some sphere inside, and they want to actually generate the same stuff, but with hollow spheres instead of just spheres. And I understand that in Salome there are some things that might be a bit counterintuitive. So let me show you how you create a hollow sphere. So let's open the geom module, and I'll create two spheres first. So let's create a radius 1 and radius 0.8. Let's click on this button to reset the view. Okay, and I have two spheres right now, one big and one small. But I want to create this hollow sphere. So how do I do it? So the first reaction would be to go in operation and use the cut option to cut that. But I think this doesn't work. In fact, I can try, and I don't know why it doesn't work. Maybe, I don't know, it cuts a plane or something. So let's select the tool object, sphere 2, and let's check. So this is kind of the cut. Let's check if I actually have a hollow sphere or not. Apply. Oh, it actually works also. Okay, so yeah, so you can do like this. This is probably the best option. But in case this doesn't work, because sometimes I know this cut option is a bit, it doesn't always work. So I'll show you another method. You just, let's delete this. So what you can do also is to, let's deactivate the clipping plane. Okay. So you can also select both and then use partition, and we'll have, okay, so the first sphere object and the sphere 2 will be the tool object, and I want solids as result. So what this does is that it kind of embeds your two spheres together, and it creates the interface between the two. But it's still one object, so you need a way to extract those two objects from this partition, and you do that using the operation. So it's new entity explode, and then you can explode into the solid components of this. Apply and close, and now if you look at it, I have the external hollow sphere and I have the internal sphere. And how do I know the sphere is hollow? I can use a clipping plane here, and same, I'm getting hollow sphere. So once you get all of that, you can save your project and then dump your study as a Python file. So hollow, okay, and let's have a look. Where is it? Cyprien. Okay. And now you should have the code to do both. So because I did first the cutting and then I did the partition, so this make sphere, extract shape. Oh, it only extracted the code for the partition, I think. It didn't put the code for the cut sphere, but that's fine. So that's a way to use the Python to actually only this part here is useful. That's a way to make two spheres, then you make the partition, then you extract the solid, and then you get the solid 1 and solid 2, and you're only interested in the solid one that you can then add to a loop like I was doing in the previous script, and then you can generate your model like this. Okay, So I hope this was useful, and thank you for watching.